In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hard reset Obsidian. A hard reset clears Obsidian's application settings on Windows so you can start fresh if the app is acting up, a plugin broke something, or you just want to return to the defaults. This process does not delete your notes or vaults, it only affects the app's settings. It's a good idea to close Obsidian while you do this. Start by opening Windows Search. You can click the magnifying glass on the taskbar or press the Windows key and begin typing. In the search box, type %appdata%, literally the word app data with a percent sign on both sides, %appdata%. This shortcut opens the roaming app data folder, a common place where applications store their configuration files. Press enter to go there. When the folder opens, you'll see a long list of application folders. Look for the one named Obsidian. If there are many folders and you don't immediately see it, use the search field in the top right of the window and type Obsidian to find it quickly. Once you've located it, click it once to select it. Next, right-click the selected Obsidian folder. From the context menu, you have two options. If you want a complete reset, choose Delete. This removes Obsidian's configuration folder from app data. If you prefer a safer approach, choose Rename and give it a new name, such as Obsidian Backup. Renaming is a reversible way to get a clean start. If you need to restore your old setup later, you can simply change the name back. What happens when you do this? Deleting or renaming that folder resets Obsidian's application settings. The next time you open Obsidian, it will recreate the folder with fresh defaults. Your theme will revert to the default, your interface layout and hotkeys will return to standard, and any plugin settings you previously configured will be cleared. Your vaults and notes are not touched, but you may need to re-enable community plugins, reselect your theme, and adjust preferences to your liking again. That's all there is to a hard reset. If you opted to rename instead of delete and decide you want your old configuration back, close Obsidian, return to the same app data location, and restore the folder's original name. Otherwise, enjoy the clean slate and reconfigure only what you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Obsidian back to a stable state without risking your notes. Consider keeping a copy of the Obsidian folder before major changes in the future so you can roll back quickly if something goes wrong.